Welcome to week 11 of BIM for existing buildings. Let's recapture what you've learned since last week. By now, you should have a better understanding of the way in which asset management is conducted and the way in which such will tie into digital built environments with IFCs and MVDs, and specifically what they are used for. You should also have an understanding to the barriers of digitization in the built environment, and also through the particular lecture as well as additional research material read, you should have a wide-ranging list of existing case studies and examples of the use of IFC in both practice and in academic literature. Our pre-sessional activity will again include a short informal presentation. Students are to collate information on how laser and image-based model reconstruction could be used to facilitate knowledge and business intelligence for building operations and maintenance, specifically all of this in the context of BIM-enabled FM. Students are to present these particular ideas to their peers in an informal presentation. This is again a flipped curricular activity which is student-led. However, myself, the module tutor, will be present to answer your queries and to offer you possible feedback on the ways in which you have just presented your collected thoughts and ideas. Today's lecture is going to offer you the fundamentals of laser scan technologies and devices that are currently used in our practice. Also, an exemplar of the cost, performance, and specification and the modes of delivery throughout the various stages of the building life cycle. This is done through a componential synthesis. This is something that we will discuss in greater detail in class, as well as laser scanning applications in practice and its implications on the as-built BIM model, and the potential for the use of machine vision technologies to automatically reconstruct and make sense of point cloud data. Our post-sessional activity will be reading material. Now this is additional reading that focuses on the specific developments of an as-built BIM model. And why this has been suggested as reading material is because I believe it will give you a better idea on the expectations of the building owners during the project closeout. So this is particularly important when you're writing about information management and exchange, specifically when we're talking about the as-built BIM handover stages and what that might mean to either the client representative or the facilities management team or the project owner. You have also got additional reading material suggested to help build upon today's lecture. Now this is again in the context of an as-built BIM. And an as-built BIM will be of particular interest to you as you're writing your consultancy report, because it forms as the basis of what is expected of modern-day contractors as well as design team members that are implementing BIM. But it also has the other side implications on the facilities management team members. So this particular paper will give you another example. This is in the context of research, of the ways in which laser scanning can be used to monitor as damaged BIM models. Okay, so it's important that you use this as an exemplar of how the two can marry together, so the laser scanning and the use of an as-built BIM. Thank you for listening.